Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for All to New. Today I'll be doing something very simple. I'll be creating a clean and simple card using the Warm Hug stamp set. This is such a lovely stamp set. It has something really soft about it and it's perfect for creating a quick card for someone you love. I'm going to ink up the central piece, which is the largest stamp on the set. It is this rectangular shape with the shape of a cotton plant in the middle, and it is really easy to stamp. So I stamped this with vanilla cream, and then I'm going to add the layered elements inside, and you will have different stamps to create your leaves and to create the bottom parts of your little cotton balls. You can do this in any color. You can combine blues and subtle cream colors, or you can go tone on tone just like I did. I'm using this white crisp background and then these lovely brown and creamy colors. Here I'm adding the leaf part of the stamp, and I'm just going to stamp that up with some hazelnut, and then I'll add a sentiment strip using the milk chocolate, which is the darkest of the colors I'm using. And that's it. I'm not going to add anything else to my card. It's going to be really simple. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've got any questions about any of the products I have used, just pop them in the comment section or visit the All to New Scrapbook blog for more information. Have a lovely day, happy crafting, happy scrapping, and I'll see you very soon with more inspiration for All to New. Bye bye.